This is a review of the anatomical structures of the male reproductive system. And we're going to look at it from an exterior view and an interior view. Exteriorly, of course, we can see that the scrotum is outside the body. The production of sperm requires a cooler temperature than the internal body temperature. So consequently, we have both testes and the penis extended from the body. If we look at the testes themselves, we can see that it has a tunica vaginalis that covers the outside of the testes. Then we have the epididymis. This is the epididymis here. Of course, the scrotum is what the testes sits inside of, the sac that the testes sit inside of. We see the scrotum here, the testes with its tunica vaginalis, the epididymis, the spermatic cord. The spermatic cord includes the vas deferens, and the vas deferens carry sperm from the testes up the vas deferens. We see here the seminal vesicle. We see here the prostate gland. This would be the bladder that we see here. This, of course, is the penis. This would be the prepuce, which is the foreskin of the penis. And if we remove the outside of the penis, then we can see the erectile tissue within the penis, the spongiosum muscles within the penis. So let's remove this aspect of the model and look more internally. We can, if we look internally, we can see that we have the prostate gland, which is right here, and that as the vas deferens delivers sperm, it goes through the seminal vesicle and picks up seminal fluid. From the seminal vesicle, which is here, it flows down into the prostate gland, which is here. From the prostate gland, it goes down through the prostate gland and actually goes past the Cowper's gland or the bulbourethral gland, which we can see here. Bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. That is the final gland that adds to the ejaculate. So again, if we look at the parts of the male reproductive system, we can see the penis, of course. Within the penis, we have the urethra, and the urethra is where the ejaculate will expel itself from the body. We have the testes, which we see here, the epididymis, which we see here, the scrotum, which we see here. Of course, if we add this portion, we get to see the spermatic cord, which includes the vas deferens. We also, if we look at this, we get to see the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle, we can see the part of it is here. Fluid goes from the seminal vesicle into the prostate gland, from the prostate gland to the bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. And these are the anatomical structures of the male reproductive system.